Hello everyone, we are back to introduce you another AI tool. You like to create stunning photos by using several elements? For example, create a photo using the image of dog, a ball, and a flower. So stay with us because today I want to introduce you an AI tool that you can use to do a lot of interesting things with your photos and create beautiful images. If you are ready,
Never really know what's going on.
get started, you need to go to whispunk.com website. After entering the website, you can choose the image from this section. Of course, instead of choosing an image, you can search for the background image that I will show you later. Here, you have to draw the shape of the object that you want. After that, just write the name of the object. As you saw, by using artificial intelligence, you can create an image by combining several shapes. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.